guys, I'm actually having a moment. This thing I'm about to just get rid of and put in a new shelf. But it's so sad. Like, it's hard when I was at home. Where my finger? Right there. It holds so many memories. Gosh, of the tube. It was like... so... I mean, I don't want to cry about it. But it just holds so many memories. And it's hard to let go. But I really don't need two desks. I want everything to be bold and aesthetic. It's hard to really let go of this thing. Like right now, I'm just cleaning out what I've had in here. I was supposed to do it last night, but I gotten tired because all last night and yesterday I was editing. So, good tablecloth. Never remind myself I have a tablecloth at home if we do another party at work. But you guys, this is so sad. I don't know how to let this go. Like, I forgot about, I had an extra eyeshadow brush. Like, literally forgot. I had this thing. It holds so many memories. And it's just holds memories. Just look, too many memories. I'm trying to throw some of these, like some of this away, but I have to throw some of this stuff away. Like even my kids from all throughout the years. Thank you for taking good care of me. Aww. Like little cute little cards. Like it's just too much to handle, to let go of this thing. But like, that is a memory. That night was a memory. I wish I had that purple dress too. Still, to this day. Well, you know, I guess. Okay, they cutting grass. When you hold on to things for a very, very long time, you have to give up certain things that hold on dear to you. No, don't get rid of it. But then I'm like, get rid of it because you don't need it. You need more space. And plus the table that we're doing, oh my gosh. It's going to be so pretty. It's going to be so bohemian where I'm ready to get it done. Like, these are cruise memories. Even though these are kind of like out of its element right now. It's almost like gone completely. But these are cruise memories. I got these from the Conquest. Like, it's just stuff like that, you know. That still works good. I can still use that for office work. But yes, like, y'all, I'm sad. I don't want to get rid of this. Because, you know, just like whenever you're okay, you're dealing with certain things in your life, and you just know it has like a big part to your heart. In the microwave, but honey ham and turkey cheese trays are everything. So let me get my other lunch out. Made chicken alfredo last night, so that'll be for lunch today. How y'all doing? Currently it's 11:16. Alright. Okay, y'all. So I'm eating lunch right now, like I just said, and I have a doctor's appointment to go to probably about 2:30. So I just went ahead and ate some lunch right about now. I think today my mom is coming over to start the process of painting the table. I went took another nap because I'm off. Like, I had the whole week off after the 4th, so yeah. So I just took some time to get a little bit of things done here and there. My job gave me a week off. Cheese trays are so convenient. Especially if you live on your own. Cheese trays are convenient. It's like I'm having Lunchables right now. Turkey go in there too. And it's time to eat my pasta. This is pepper jack chicken alfredo pasta. Oh my god, pepper jack cheese. Cajun chicken alfredo pasta. I made it and it's so good. So delicious. Hey y'all, so I just made it to the doctor's office, y'all. It's hot as heck. This summer, I'm ready for it to be over with, but it's hot. But I'm going to go in here and see what they're talking about. I think this is the most pointless doctor's appointment I ever had, but let's go see what it is. Quick little OTT outfit of the OOTD. So I'm wearing a pink top, and I have some khaki shorts, or capris, however you call it. So yeah, as you can see, I'm headed back home. I was literally impressed. Like, I was like literally impressed, because I'm like, I haven't really done much. And then I know I'm on Truby. So crazy. Because I'm like, okay. Because when he said all those things, I said, are you curious right now? Are you serious? I'm not curious. Are you serious right now? But I went to Dollar General, got some stuff. I know everything don't change overnight. I got some hot dogs, buns, some more feta. I was so going crazy for the feta last night. I didn't have enough. And I got me some more trash bags, because I needed trash bags. And then I got me some more garlic powder. I am hands down crazy over garlic powder. I use that in everything. Comment below if you're those type of people that use garlic powder over every little thing, which is crazy. And then I needed some more rice. So I got rice. I got all the good stuff, ungood stuff. If you really think about it, I got out of the bread group. That's what I do need to stay away from. Like, I'm so shocked and impressed at the same time. All the above. So, hey. Well, maybe to some 2 pounds is just 2 pounds. But you'd be surprised what 2 pounds is. From what I've seen on like on photos, you'd be surprised how much 2 pounds really is. But I'm gonna get some fresh before my mom comes over, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
Get in there, make sure it's going all on that side. It'll come out. Get all them brown spots as possible. Okay, get on the other side. Shake it up some more.